Introduction to Automation in EveryDollar.
EveryDollar is a budgeting app designed to help users keep track of spending. By using automation tools with EveryDollar, you can quickly flag transactions that seem out of the ordinary. This process saves time and helps ensure that your finances stay on track without needing constant manual review.
Connecting EveryDollar to automation tools.
To add automated alerts, you'll need an integration tool like Zapier or IFTTT. These services can connect EveryDollar with email or notification services. After signing up, you can set up a Zap or applet to watch for new transactions in your EveryDollar account and trigger an alert if something unusual occurs.
Defining unusual spending patterns.
Before automating alerts, decide what counts as unusual for you. It might be any transaction over a certain amount, spending in a never-used category, or frequent purchases in a short time frame. Clarifying your rules helps make the alerts more meaningful and reduces false alarms.
Setting up automated alerts.
Using your chosen automation tool, set rules for when an alert should be triggered. For instance, if a transaction exceeds your set limit, the system can send you an email or phone notification. Customize the alert messages for clarity so you know exactly why you're being notified each time.
Reviewing and adjusting your alerts.
After running your alert system for a while, check how well it's working. If you receive too many notifications, refine your rules to target truly unusual spending. If alerts are too rare, you might raise your awareness by lowering the alert threshold or adding more spending categories to monitor.
Benefits of automated spending alerts.
Automated alerts in EveryDollar help you respond quickly to unexpected spending, prevent overspending, and spot errors. By staying proactive with your finances, you can make better decisions and reduce the stress of managing your budget. Automation tools make it easier to stay in control without constant manual checks.